We are about to discuss the predilection for the another advanced structure that will enrich your vocabulary and stay connected with us. Keep on watching and enrich your vocabulary. Update yourself with us. Predilection for. What is the mean of the predilection for? If I say कि आपका ये काम करने की तरफ रुझान है, अक्सर हमारा किसी काम करने की तरफ रुझान होता है. मैंने कहा मेरा ये काम करने की तरफ रुझान है. It means it's my strong desire, it's my wish, and it's my pre-planned desire to do that task. तो वहाँ पर हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर आता है predilection for. The formula of the predilection for is that subject, then we use have and have as the helping verb. Then after that, the predilection for whenever the verb comes. So it's the obligation for us to use the verb fourth form. What does this mean? The word fourth form means verb first form plus ing. An object. Examples. They have predilection for earning money. उन लोगों का पैसा कमाने की तरफ रुझान है. They have predilection for earning money. If I say to make negative, we use helping verb do and does. They don't have predilection for earning money. They don't have predilection for earning money. So now, making the another sentence by using the negative concept. They don't have predilection for moving abroad. उन लोगों का बैरून मुल्क जाने की तरफ रुझान नहीं है, इरादा नहीं है. They don't have predilection for moving abroad. Last one. She has predilection for rectifying herself. Rectifying herself, इसलाह करना, improve करना. उस लड़की का अपने आप को इस्लाह की तरफ ले जाने की तरफ रुझान है. इट मीन्स कि उसकी नियत है, उसका इरादा है कि वो अपने आप को इस्लाह के अमल की तरफ लेकर जाए. She has predilection for rectifying herself, and to make negative we use does with she. Whatever, if I use the he and it, so definitely the does come also with it. She does not have predilection for speaking Urdu. उस लड़की का उर्दू बोलने की तरफ रुझान नहीं है. What do you have predilection for? Would you like to tell me something? Structure that will enlighten your vocabulary and you will be able to use this structure in your speaking. Let's start the session. Yet to. Yet to means anything that has not happened yet. It means कि कोई काम जो अब तक नहीं हुआ या किसी काम का अब तक होना बाकी है. The formula of get to is firstly we use the subject, then is mr means be verb, is mr, then get to as a structure, and after the get to we use verb first form and object. Because after the two normally we use the verb first form. किसी काम का होना बाकी है. So the note of this is to make negative add only not. What is the placement of the not here? We add only not after the is mr. We add only not after the is mr. For example, they are yet to show their marks. उन लोगों का रिजल्ट या शो यानी उन लोगों का अब तक अपना रिजल्ट शो करना बाकी है. It means they have not showed their result yet. She is yet to learn more. उस लड़की का सीखना अभी बाकी है. मतलब मजीद सीखना एक यहाँ पर बात हो सकती है कि वो किसी लेसन की बात करें या किसी लेक्चर की बात करें, तो उनका सीखना भी बाकी है. She is yet to learn more. And I am yet to upload my lectures online. Yeah, definitely I am yet to upload my lectures online. Inshallah, I will do it. So, would you like to tell me something about in your comment section? What are you yet to do in your life? For example, you are yet to go abroad. You are yet to learn English. And anything else.